welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about ethnic wear and it's going to be about mixing and matching outfits. I've seen that a lot of you guys wanted to see such a video and I thought it would be really helpful, especially with the festive season and the wedding season coming up. And also Flipkart has their big Diwali sale going on and they have all the top brands at 50 to 80% off, and they also have cash on delivery and free shipping, and they also have very quick delivery, and all of these are hand picked by experts and they're all authentic brands. So this is a great time to purchase anything that you would like. All of the links will be in the description box and don't miss out on this amazing sale. And now let's get started with the video and I'll show you guys how I like to mix and match my outfits. So first let's start with this classic piece. It's a chikankari kurta and Ada has beautiful chikankari kurtas. This is an off-white one. Since it is such a classic piece, I thought I'll go with off-white. You can style it in so many different ways, and they have them in other pastel colors and darker colors too. I absolutely love this. You can wear white on white and it will look so classy. I also paired it up with this pearl choker. I thought it would look so gracious, and I am wearing an embroidered dupatta. You can wear a chikankari dupatta or you can even wear a contrast dupatta. If you want to wear like white on white, this is how you can style it. I'm wearing the same off-white Palazzos. This is from Just Wow. I have spoken about this brand also. It's really nice and the flare is very beautiful, so it's great even for party wear. So anytime you're looking for ethnic wear for any of your events like Diwali party or basically smaller events related to weddings or housewarming parties or anything like that, it will look so beautiful. Even for any small pujas or anytime you need casual ethnic wear, I think this would look so beautiful. And I even like to pair it with a contrast dupatta. Bandhani dupatta is also such a classic piece. You should definitely have one in your wardrobe, and these come in different colors again, so I like to pair it up with a bright bandhani dupatta also, and it will look really beautiful. You can even accessorize it with some silver jewelry or gold jewelry as well, but I wanted to go with this pearl choker. The next one we have this sharara set. It's a very beautiful piece and very comfortable. So this one actually has gold print all over and a little bit of silver gota work here, like lace detailing, and the sharara is also very pretty. So this looks beautiful as it is. You can pair up this set itself and wear like a gold dupatta or an off-white dupatta like this, and it will look so beautiful. I like to style it with both gold and other dupattas as well. I also like to mix and match this outfit. Any solid colors like these are a must-have in your wardrobe, and these pieces are very versatile. So I wore the same top with the off-white palazzos that I was wearing earlier, and even that makes for a very good combination. And with this pearl choker set, it looks really beautiful. And then you can pair it up with some jutis and it will look so beautiful. You can even add a dupatta to this, but I think as it is also it looks very nice, and I like to pair it up with a silver clutch or a gold potli bag. You can even wear like a colorful potli bag. Just to change up the look a little bit, you can add like a kanta work dupatta or basically any colorful dupatta that goes well with this color. This is how I like to mix and match my outfits. You can change up the accessories a little bit, and you can even wear silver jewelry with this and it would again change up the whole look. Even with this chikankari kurta, it's the same. Instead of wearing the pearl choker, you can actually wear some silver jewelry or gold jewelry and again change up the look a little bit. So this is our next kurta. It's a very beautiful peach kurta, and you can see that it actually looks quite grand as it is. So solid colors like these are again something very versatile. You can style them up in different ways. So that's the reason I like to have such kurtas in my wardrobe. So this one is from a brand called Indian Virasat, and they have this in other colors as well, so I'll link everything. You can style this up in so many different ways. Anything in the contrast color would look so beautiful, and because this is plain and because the kurta is plain, you can actually wear a floral dupatta with this or anything with a little bit of work or a little extra factor going on, since this one is plain, and you can style it up with silver jewelry or gold jewelry as well. I pair it up with an ikat dupatta which is in purple. You can even wear a jacket which is in purple or like a contrast color. Since this one has full sleeves, I'm not going to do that, but if you have like a sleeveless dress or a strappy dress, you can totally do that. You can also pair the same dress even with Banarasi dupattas. It will look so grand, and again it will totally change the look. You can add some gold jewelry with it and it would totally completely change the look, and you can even wear it for weddings or bigger occasions, and even for Diwali I think this makes for a very good outfit. This brand actually has very beautiful kurtas. You should definitely check out this brand, and you can totally style this with other colors as well because it's peach. It will go well with pink. So I showed a bandhani dupatta. I can wear it with that one as well, and you can also wear the kurta as it is and wear it with a lehenga or a palazzo pant or even a straight cut pants as well. So again, a very versatile one. So these are some versatile pieces that I wanted to show you guys. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I wanted to show you guys some of these outfits and how I like to restyle them and how I like to mix and match these outfits. So I hope this video was useful. All of the links will be in the description box, and also let me know if you'd like to watch more of such videos where I show you guys how I mix and match my outfits, or basically share my styling ideas. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite look. And like I said, Flipkart has their big Diwali sale going on where they have like huge discounts. They have 2 lakh plus brands available, and they have wide variety of selection available with all the latest updated trends at unbelievable prices. It's a great time to get your hands on any of these outfits, so do check them out. I'll leave all the links in the description box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my Telugu channel as well. I have an accessories haul that just went up along with this video, so do check out that one as well. And that is it for this video, you guys. Do follow me on Instagram for all like quick updates and mini hauls and all that. I upload a lot of styling videos there as well. Have a happy and safe Diwali. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.